Hi guys. Hi guys, this is Leonard and welcome to Travel MS episode here at LMS Vlog. Hi, good morning. So, andito na tayo sa Sual and we'll just check yung mga fresh catch from the sea para may baon tayo.
Sir, pampano na lang, sir. Kita. Kumayan, kuya.
Wala pa po, alimango. Traps po, okay pa.
Ayan, so we bought a kilo of each ng squid, tapos hipon, and blue crabs.
A few moments later.
Mabuhay! I welcome you to Masamirey Cove!
Hello, guys! Welcome to LMS Vlog!
Beware of falling coconuts. Sana all na-fall. Hi guys, so welcome again to another travel LMS episode here at LMS Vlog. And yeah, today is February 21, so my friends and I decided to take a break. We chose Masamirey Cove at Sual Pangasinan as our tourism destination. And yeah, we arrived here around 7 a.m. and it's now almost 5 in the afternoon. So ayun, madami nang nangyari. We've been to Kumus Island already, and then we also had picture taking doon sa mga rock formations on the far end side ng Masamirey Cove. So we're staying here for an overnight, and then we will be leaving tomorrow at 9 in the morning kasi yun yung call time, because every one of us will be going back to our work. So ayan, so ini-enjoy lang natin yung time, yung moment. Ngayon, nai-enjoy na namin ang mag-swimming because the beach is now less crowded. It's now more calming and you can really see now the beauty of the beach. Tapos baliktad yung setting ng beach because normally in a beach you would be seeing a sunset. Pero dito walang sunset, so meron silang sunrise. Sa umaga medyo gloomy yung beach and you really cannot appreciate much yung area kasi crowded, madaming tao, maingay. But in the afternoon, it's more calming and ganda lang nung vibe, ang ganda ng view. So ayun, naglulublob na tayo. Nakaluto na rin actually tayo ng dinner and we're having what? Seafood boil. We have combination of seafood. We have crabs, we have mussels, we have squid, and ano pa yung isa? We have shrimp. Ayun, so inaantay lang natin medyo magtakip sinim, then we'll have our dinner and probably night swimming and just enjoy the place. So tara, swimming tayo.
May shokoy!
So for those who are asking kung saan ba makikita ang Masamirey Cove, it's actually a part of Baybay Norte ng Sual, Pangasinan. So it's on the western part ng Pangasinan. It's almost like 3 hours drive from Ordaneta. Malapit siya actually kesa sa Bolinao, kesa sa Kabungawan Beach, Condol Beach, and the like. So another interesting destination dito sa Sual is on the other side ng Masamirey Cove is actually yung Bagbag Beach, of which doon malapit yung emerging tourism destination sa Pangasinan, which is yung Little Batanes. It's actually a part of the plan. Napuntahan namin yung Bagbag Beach, but unfortunately, nag-switch yung plan. We went to Kumus Island na lang kanina, early this afternoon, and the place was serene. It's very surreal. It's very panoramic, and I would really suggest na if you go to Sual, you go na lang sa Masamirey Beach and have a side trip at Kumus Island or sa Cabalichan Island rather than going sa Bagbag Beach. Kasi if you're at Kumus Island, you will be caught in between yung Little Batanes of the north at yung Cabalichan Island. So, same view. Pag nasa Little Batanes ka, makikita mo lang din yung Kumus Island. Eh, mag-Kumus ka na lang para parehong nakikita mo yung Little Batanes and yung Cabalichan Island. Morning po.
Morning, Philippines!
Oh, nice shot. And if you do love this video, please do like and share and drop a comment. At kung bago ka sa channel natin ito, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe at hampasin ang notification bell para ikaw ay parating updated sa ating mga newly uploaded videos. Thank you guys for watching!